If you're still exporting SAP data to Excel for financial reports, you're working with yesterday's numbers. Static exports mean stale insights. So by the time your report's ready, the data's already changed. Meet Wands for SAP from Insight Software, the solution that brings real-time SAP data directly into Excel. No exports, no stale data. Just click refresh, and your P&L, balance sheet, and cost center reports update with current financial information. Create drillable financial reports that let you navigate from summary to details seamlessly. See a value you want to investigate? Click through from your P&L directly to the underlying transactions. That's analysis at the speed of thought. Built-in AI spots trends and anomalies automatically. Unusual spending patterns, forecast deviations, budget variances. AI flags what matters, so you focus on insights, not data hunting. Choose from pre-built financial templates, or create custom reports in minutes. No IT dependency, no waiting for report developers. Finance teams build exactly what they need when they need it. From monthly management reporting to executive dashboards, from budget analysis to regulatory compliance, Wands scales with your financial reporting needs while keeping you in Excel. Stop making decisions with stale data. Transform your SAP reporting with Wands for SAP, where real-time data meets Excel expertise. Learn more at insightsoftware.com.